Hi everyone, welcome to Eemaan's Garden channel. 5 months ago, my son installed this BloomPlus LED growing light in this room. As you see in front of us, there are some plants, different kind of plants here. They are doing great under this growing light. 5 months ago, I showed you these hibiscus flowers. They were naked without any leaves. And as you see, in 5 months, we have great success. And my plants are doing great. Even my lemon trees, which I put around this table, they did great on this light. They didn't drop any leaf. Instead, they grew huge leaves. Even outside under the sun, they didn't grow for me that kind of leaves. And I took my lemon trees outside, and before taking these hibiscus plants out, I decided to make this video for you guys to show how these hibiscus plants are doing. As you see, they are blooming under this light and they grew a lot and they're healthy, happy. I highly recommend you to buy this light. It works great. None of these plants died under this plant. Instead, they did good. Last week, I took some of my plants out, and in this state in Missouri, it snowed and some of my plants died outside, and I decided to take my jasmine plant in cold weather. This jasmine plant, it dropped all of its leaves. I was scared that I can lose this plant, but see, in 1 week this jasmine under this growing light, it grew lots of new leaves, new shoots. This plant, see, it dropped all of its leaves and it was naked also. And see, new shoots, new branches are growing from this plant in 1 week. It's great result also. And see, this hibiscus, it's growing lots of buds. It's very happy. And the leaves are strong and healthy. They are not soft, they are strong enough. And see how the flowers are huge, as if they are growing under the sun. Usually I have this kind of blooms outside, and even they are inside, they are doing great. When I took these plants, because of the darkness, this room is very dark, and even though this window with this door is huge, but this side is north facing side. That's why these plants couldn't see sunlight. There is no sunlight in this room, which plants can get, and this hibiscus started dying for me, and they were naked before I installed this growing light. And now see this plant, snake plant, it grew huge leaves also. This snake plant, sorry, my son is playing the door. Come here, baby, come. And this plant, see, it's growing huge leaves. These leaves, they grew outside, and see the difference. These leaves, they grew under this growing light, and this leaf also. I took some leaves from this one, see, from this one. These leaves, they grew outside also, and these ones, which are in the middle, in the center, they grew under this growing light. Now you can see the difference, how they grew, and this one is doing great. See, I took some cutting from this snake plant and put here, this one, this one, see, and how huge it grew under this growing light. You can buy this growing light and you will see with your eyes that it works great. I highly recommend for you this growing light, to have this. See, it's small light, but even though it's small, it's giving energy for this whole plants. This is huge table. I put these plants on this table, and all of these plants are taking light from this growing light, BloomPlus LED growing light. This was quick update about my plants, and now I will take my plants out, and in fall time I will bring them in again. Before taking them out, I decided to make this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you are not subscribed yet, and if you like this video, please put thumbs up. Bye.